Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 28th, 2020. We're going to speak on Cardano on today's video, give y'all a heads up as to what the trap is going to move the value of this currency. Now, before I do, this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure that you continue to follow us on the other social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, even on our own website. You guys can participate in our own website to continually see our content that we are delivering in the cryptocurrency space, because it's simple. Now, you guys can recall on our last video for Cardano, which was on the 25th of September, you guys could go check it out 3 days ago. We didn't put in a forecast into the market. We wanted to allow the trap to continue to work, continue to do his business, so we can get a better idea as to what he's feeling. And overwhelmingly, we do understand now from his perspective off the price chart what he wants to do. And a lot of these cryptocurrencies are not acting the way that Cardano is. I want to go into that on today's video. I'll show you some things from the price chart that many other cryptocurrencies are not reflecting, and it gives a lot of credence and credibility to the market trap on Cardano versus what he's doing to the other markets. All right, so we didn't put in a forecast from our last video, so we're going to just go ahead and start off fresh on this particular video. And you guys can see, we've been marking the overall trend into the market in Cardano. Now, we've seen a small spat of time to where the market in Cardano did break this ascending trend. And that was your clue and indication that the market in Cardano was weak. But look what occurred right here on the 25th of September. The market came right back above the ascending line. So that tells me that that weakness that came in and started all the way back here since August, it reversed course to where the market still came and held 8 cents for support. So the trap, he's not feeling all that bearish at the moment. Now, yeah, the market slope that started back here on the 24th of September, the slope in Cardano is extenuating. It's literally almost a straight line up. You guys can see that right there. You would expect the market it cannot sustain that. The market cannot continue to shoot that high that fast. So we will break this, but just to notice that the trap came in and break the market higher above this overall trend is a very positive sign. So I just wanted to pinpoint that out into the market, because there are other currencies out here that is not participating the way that Cardano is. And also, we're started off a brand new work week. So let's take a look at the market in Cardano on a weekly time frame. And this is one of the biggest indications as to why Cardano is feeling a little bit more stronger than some other currencies in the market. Look at where we ended the week. Even the amount of volume that came in last week and how we came and clips and supported the market at 8 cents and closed at the high, all that insinuates that there's still some higher price anticipated in the market in Cardano. Like the market trap, he's not done with trying to pursue higher price for this currency. That weekly price bar is substantial, and we got to keep our eyes open on that to continue to see the market in Cardano go higher. Now, we might just go up 2 cents, back up to around 12 cents, and we'll come right back down in the market in Cardano, because that's the next area of restriction in the market for this currency, 12 cents. Now, let's see the market in Cardano on the monthly time frame. So what we're getting into the market in Cardano on the monthly time frame is what I termed a probable precursor of strength. That simply means that the month of October, we need to see Cardano continually show us higher price. Like we need to close higher than the month of September. And if we do for the month of October, that confirms that the overall strength in Cardano is still there. And that's it. It's that simple. So we need to be watchful for the month of October to see if the trap is going to be able to maintain the strength. It's not guaranteed, it's not certain, but it simply means that it's probable. So we have to be watchful for the month of October in Cardano to continue to see the market strength play out. All right. So one of the things that you can see here on the daily time frame is that the market at Cardano is already moving higher in price. And that simply means, given the swift movement higher in price in Cardano, you would expect us to come right back down. So let me tell you already where the market needs to hold support. It needs to hold support at 10 cents and 9.5 in order for us to continue to see the market go higher in the long term, and literally like on a weekly basis. All right. So what we're going to go ahead and do in this video, we're going to go ahead and put a forecast into the market, anticipating the trap to continually increase the value of Cardano. Now, if you guys don't know who the trap is, that's the guy you guys see at the bottom left side of my corner of my screen. He's the one that's trying to take your money from you. That's why he has that briefcase full of money and the trap laid out in front of him, because he's trying to trick you. He's trying to confuse you into where the market's going to go. And that's why we're here, to stand in between you and him, so that we can start taking the money that he's already gotten out the market and giving it right back to us. So based off that weekly chart, we're going to continue to look for the market to go higher in price for Cardano. Okay. Now, I told you that 9.5 cents is going to be a very crucial support area for us in the market. All right. And I told you on a weekly time frame that 12 cents is restriction. And literally you can tell when I zoom out that maybe around 11 cents is a restriction point as well. It's not as severe, but it's there. So we will have to TP the market, just skim off just a little bit around 11 cents, because selling can literally come into the market in Cardano at that particular price, which is 5.25% profitability from where we're at right now in the market for Cardano. But I'm going to extend it up here towards 12 cents. Now we'll be a little shy of 12 cents, maybe around 0.118. But it'd still be 12, almost 13% profitability market move higher in price for Cardano. So here we are. This is our expectations. Reason being, the market came right back above the ascending line. The weekly price chart looks extenuating well in the sense of showing us strength. So we're going to continue to play the market move higher. Now it's your turn. This is ours expectations. Now, what do you see into the market and Cardano? Are we going to continue to see higher price, or are we going to go lower and break right back down below our ascending line? Because that is still possible as well, but that's not what we're going to forecast. We're going to look for the market to go higher. What are you looking for? Tell us with a comment in the comment section and give us your TP price. And as always, make sure you maintain our profitability, and we'll talk again on the next video.